Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Suphapon Milam and I am an anesthesiologist as well as a specialist in aesthetic and integrated medicine from Thailand. I had the privilege of working with cannabis medicine for the past 7 years and today I would like to share some insights with you. Let's focus on the current situation of the hemp industry in Thailand and its potential as medicine. While there are exciting opportunities, we still face significant challenges such as regulatory complexities and the need for more research and development. In my practice, I have used CBD and CBN to treat a variety of conditions, including Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, Parkinsonism, dementia, and aging-related brain issues. I have also seen positive effects in treating autism, aggressive behavior in children, and other neurodegenerative diseases. Since Thailand has promoted medical cannabis, the Department of Thai Traditional and Alternative Medicine has developed 3 formulas derived from cannabis as treatment options in cannabis clinics nationwide: Desha Formula, Meta Osot, and Karun Osot. Each has different characteristics, but personally, I prefer using Karun Osot because it can be easily integrated with modern medical treatments and does not have any psychoactive effects. I would like to share some case studies where this cannabis oil have been applied to patient treatment. First case, a 79-year-old woman with a 15-year history of cerebral infarction was diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease. In March 2023, she became bedridden for 3 months and had other comorbidities, including diabetes. In November 2023, she began using cannabis oil along with guidance on nutrition, emotional well-being, and hygiene. After 3 months, her condition improved enough to start gentle physical activity. On January 30, 2024, her nasal feeding tube was removed, and she regained the ability to drink water and consume soft foods independently. All health indicators improved, and her blood sugar stabilized at 110, eliminating the need for diabetes medication. A 64-year-old woman with Parkinson's disease requires multiple medications every 2 hours if her symptoms remain uncontrolled. Surgery to insert a deep brain stimulation (DBS) device was necessary. In January 2020, she began using CBD-enriched cannabis oil, taking 0.55 mg per drop, with 10 drops every 5 minutes, totaling 20 drops in 10 minutes. Her symptoms improved significantly, and when she was about to go home, a notable change was observed. A patient with an immune system disorder and systemic inflammation was treated by a dermatologist, but the symptoms persisted. In May 2023, her patient started using CBD-enriched cannabis oil 0.5 mg per drop, taking 5 drops sublingually twice daily, and CBN capsules, 2 capsules before bedtime, along with cleansing with cannabis-infused soap. After 1 month, there was a notable reduction in inflammation. A 70-year-old monk weighing 65 kilograms and 170 centimeters tall was diagnosed with stage 4 prostate cancer on the right side. He presented with difficulty urinating, dripping, lower back pain, and a PSA level of 99.740 nanogram per milliliter. A CT scan revealed a 4.9 by 3.7 by 4.8 centimeters mass invading the seminal vesicle and bladder neck, along with iliac node enlargement. Despite the diagnosis, the patient refused surgery, refused chemotherapy and radiation, opting instead for treatment with cannabis and hemp oil at a private clinic. Over 8 months, his quality of life improved. monitor using the ESA scale. He experienced better appetite, sleep, regular bowel movement, reduced anxiety, and relief from lower back pain. His PSA level significantly decreased from 99.740 nanogram per milliliter to 2.830 nanogram per milliliter, and finally to 1.630 nanogram per milliliter. The patient now urinates normally with no blood in his urine and has improved bladder control. A baby girl diagnosed with meningitis 29 days after birth suffered brain damage and required close care to control her seizures. She frequently stayed in the hospital for 2 to 3 months at a time. With no improvement, at age 6, she began using high THC cannabis oil provided by Uncle Tu, alongside modern medicine from 2014 to 2022. This treatment reduced her seizures, improved her mood, lower stress, and enhanced her quality of life. Her development showed clear improvement, and she survived for another 8 years. A 6-year-old puppy weighing 6 kilograms developed an abscess under its neck. The treatment, including 5 drops of CBD-enriched cannabis oil, 0.5 milligrams, and application of a special cannabis balm before bed. After 15 days of using medical cannabis, the abscess ruptured and bled. The pustule subsided and the wound closed, all without the need for additional medication. Thank you all for your attention and interest in this important topic. It has been my honor to share this information with you. I am hopeful that Thailand will continue to advance and ultimately become a hub for medical cannabis, benefiting countless patients in the future. If you have any question or need further discussion, I am happy to engage. Thank you once again. สวัสดีค่ะ